The Farm Foods British Par 3 Championship, an incredible celebration of Par 3 golf that sees top players from all over the world take on the Cromwell course in the ultimate short game test. Thousands flock to the Warwickshire course to watch golf legends test their skills alongside top celebrities from the worlds of screen, stage, music and sport. Those attending the event can brush shoulders with the stars on both the course and in the tented village, as well as at the stunning gala dinners. The tournament, which is steeped in history, is highly competitive, but away from the course, there's a fun party atmosphere that's not to be missed. Highlights of the event will be broadcast on Sky Sports, and there are fantastic playing and sponsorship opportunities available. Become part of golfing history at the 2020 Farm Foods British Par 3 Championship. Contact Champions UK plc for more information.